driving your airplane? Okay, good job. Wow. Drive, drive. Come on. Yeah, you're sitting down. Sit down. Vroom. Vroom. Welcome, friends. Oh, cough. Oh, come on, stand up. Okay, good job. You're driving your airplane. Do you need help? Yeah? What kind of help did you need? What kind of help did you need? Mommy will help you. Mommy will help you. Yahang medyas o sapatos yang gitangtang. Kiss mommy, B. Sit. You want mommy to sit down? Sit down? Sit? Or tickle, tickle. You want me to tickle you? Ready, set, tickle! You want me to tickle you? No, okay. Now. Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh, you want mommy to push the button? All right. Mommy just did that. Come on, ride it. You need help? Okay. Woohoo! Yes, good job. Okay, I'll push you. You want me to push your airplane? Okay. Yeah. Okay, ready? Set. Go! Ready, set, go! Okay, let's move backwards. Okay, are you ready? Set, go! Oh, let's move back again. All right. Are you riding it? Wow. Okay, drive it. Come this way. Oh, okay, you need mommy to help you? Can you say please? Can you say please, mommy? Oh, wow, all the lights. Come on. I'm ready. What happened? Why'd you get off your plane? Oi. Where are you going? Okay, mommy will chase you. Oh, where are you? Do you want to ride your bike or your airplane? Okay, ride your bike. Or your airplane. I don't know which one you want to ride. Push. Push it. Wow. Wow. Okay, mommy will push it. Ready?